Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
The liver is one of our body's most important organs. It performs more than 500 bodily functions, including purifying our blood by eliminating any toxins or useless cells, breaking down carbohydrates and lipids, and storing substances that give our body energy such as vitamins A, D, K, and D. However, we don't always take care of our liver as we should. If you're looking to find a natural way to detoxify your liver and shed a few extra pounds, try this recipe. It's simple and only calls for 3 ingredients that are easily found in your kitchen: 3 lemons, 1 cup of parsley, 5 stalks of celery, 6 cups of water. Instructions: blend the lemon juice, parsley, and celery. Then add the water and blend again. You should drink 2 cups of this 3 times a day, always on an empty stomach, a few hours after having eaten. Repeat this procedure for the next 2 days, for a total of 3 days.